up to here? They're obviously, this is a deliberate, this is a high presence. I mean, they're letting everyone know.
I know.
That they're here. They're going over the panel. You've got a nice picture there of them going over the circles. I'll try and
now I wonder who is watching what?
Who's watching who?
Yeah, what was that shit? It's just circling there like that.
You see, he's got monitoring equipment. Look at that, he's coming down there. He's landing on that crop circle.
Alton Barnes, a couple of years ago, when there was a symbol that looked a little bit like the CBS television network symbol, looked a little bit like that, in the field, in Eastfield, Alton Barnes, England. I arrived there with a number of researchers, scientists from this country, a French researcher working for the US government, a number of people that didn't want to be particularly seen publicly. They just felt comfortable to be behind the scenes rather than up front. And I say this for a reason, because we arrived there and the scientist from this country, the Frenchman, is filming with his own domestic camera. We already had an army helicopter so close, unbelievably close and dangerously close, above our heads. All the guys inside that helicopter are filming us, we're filming them. The whole thing that we thought we were experiencing was the military don't want us here. And we got out of our vehicles, we start filming them, there's the crop circle here, and as this helicopter eases back a few feet, a second one swoops in behind him, comes right up, almost hit the hill. The edge of the rotor blades were within 2 meters, the width of this table and no more, from hitting the hill that we were on. And I mean, of course, what is going on here is the obvious question to ask. Well, what we did is we jumped back in our vehicle. There's about 5 or 6 of us, still filming. We go up the hill, and running parallel is one of the Gazelle helicopters following us up the hill like this.
Right, when we get this here, we can get a picture of him in front of that.
Oh, yeah. Crop circle,
There you go,
right to our
crop
right.
circle's right there.
Hop out.
Hop up.
We get out again, and the guy that's got the camera in his hand is filming the field itself. This helicopter breaks away, goes to the back of the field.
I think there's something there. In front of him there's something, I don't know what it is.
And the little ball of light that he's going straight towards.
Oh, over there? Yeah.
Yeah, some thing over. It's hovering right over it. Oh, what's that?
You can see their
What's that?
faces.
There's something flashing on the ground.
Under it?
No, under the tail.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Under the tail? I do. That's their normal light, isn't it?
No, it's on the ground.
It's on the ground under the tail. Like.
I would imagine that the second helicopter, the large Gazelle, is radio communication, and he's probably saying to this guy, it's behind you, because you can see, the reason I say that is that the ball of light is gone. It was in front of him. It's now, we can see it and we're filming it. It's behind him. But the helicopter begins to back up. So he's got some direction, something, I guess the other guy is saying it's behind you.
He's hovering right over it now. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Does that move? The white some...
Yeah, right. Good eye.
He's backing up. He's coming over it like this. He doesn't know whether to turn his helicopter on its axis or literally to keep backing up. He backs up, and that ball of light is right in front of him. He cannot miss it. And again, just like that, one frame of the film, it's gone.
Stop flashing there. Can't see anything. Ah!
It's coming up behind us here. Oh, my.
know, we're trying to divert our attention from our flashing.
Do you think that? I kind of think that. What? They're diverting our attention. Yeah, could be.
The flashing thing is not there anymore.
Yeah.
It just doesn't make any rational sense. But anyway, the balls of light have been seen and filmed now on many occasions.